ये हस्रीश्च
ये हश्रीश्च
ह्रीश्च धृतिश्च
ह्रीश्च धृतिश्च ह्रीश्च धृतिश्च
तपो मेधा प्रतिष्ठा
तपो मेधा प्रतिष्ठा तपो मेधा प्रतिष्ठा
श्रद्धा सत्यं धर्मश्चैतानिमानि
श्रद्धा सत्यं धर्मश्चैतानिमा श्रद्धा सत्यं धर्मश्चैतानि
उत्तिष्ठन्तमनुतिष्ठन्तु
उत्तिष्ठन्तमनुतिष्ठन्तु उत्तिष्ठन्तमनुतिष्ठन्तु
मामागुं श्रीश्च ह्रीश्च
मागुं श्रीश्च ह्रीश्च मागुं हि श्रीश्च ह्रीश्च
धृतिश्च तपो मेधा प्रतिष्ठा
धृतिश्च तपो मेधा प्रतिष्ठा तपो मेधा प्रतिष्ठा
श्रद्धा सत्यं धर्मश्चैतानिमा
श्रद्धा सत्यं धर्मश्चैतानि मां श्रद्धा सत्यं धर्मश्चैतानि मां
माहाशिषुः
माहाशिषुः माहाशिषुः.
So our prayer, we are doing our usual Kendra prayer plus these two mantras, because in the present crisis we want Shanti everywhere, and even Shanti itself should be Shanti, Shantireva Shanti, and with that Shanti, you are asking Astu me Shanti. Me does not mean only you and the nation and the culture and the universe and all gods, all ganas. When you say Gananam Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe, in the Gananam and the Devagana, Yakshagana, Kinnaragana, Kimpurashagana, Manshagana, Rakshasagana, etc., Pasugana, all groups and groups and groups in our creation, all have to have peace. Therefore, may peace, you claim all of them to be yours, and they all claim to be you to be theirs. Then there is an absolute identity, then there is a total Shanti. We pray for that. And with such Shanti, Taya Shantya, with that kind of universal absolute peace, and what is that Shanti? Sarva Shanti. When there is a peace to each and everything in the universe, in the creation, and specifically you mention Mahyam Dipade, all Dipadas, bipeds, two-legged animals, Chatushpade, plural-legged animals, four-legged animals. So Dipade means all human beings, whoever have got two legs, all that category of beings are and Manushyas are there. And Chatushpade is multiple feet, because the creation is adjudged from many measures and standards, and one of these standards is to count by the number of legs that the being is having. But Paramatma, you say, Sahasrapadaha, Sahasrasirusham Devam Vishwaksham. There, in all Purusha Suktam also, you consider him have 1,000 feet does not mean having 1,000 feet and is odd. Nobody wants it. But it's only in the symbolic indication of the mobility, speed, ability, and all those things are involved when you refer to the pada. That's why you make a prayer in Mahanyasam. Every day you are doing with asan's help. Padayoho Vishnustishtatu. You understand? First of all, Prajarane Brahma Tishtatu. Padayoho Vishnustishtatu. Then you check Lalate Rudraha Tishtantu. Look at this. Lalata is the white paper for Brahmadeva. And when Brahmadeva writes our calendar, in our Lalata, white paper, nobody can decipher except Brahma himself. That's why even today we say, Yen ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯೋ ಈ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮರಾತ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮರಾತನು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮರಾತರ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಲಲಾಟೆ ರುದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರುದ್ರ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟರ್, ರುದ್ರ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಹೀಲರ್, ರುದ್ರ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ರುದ್ರ is annihilator, Rudra, etc. So all that you find the Vibhava of Rudra in Rudram. You please join for Rudram. After all, it is 7 o'clock in the evening and you will be learning more things, because the names only speak about the entire 4 Veda significations, because Rudra hymns are many. Rudra is Agni. Agni hymns, 200 hymns are there in the Rig Veda and more. So you will just come to a comprehensive, precise knowledge about the Rudra. So with that, Shantim Karomi, and ultimately, May Shanti Astu. You may do Shanti to all beings of the creation, cosmos, earth, and 14 lokas and 14 bhuvanas, etc. But personally also, I must have peace of mind. See, what is personal is enjoyable, and what is personal can be shared to be impersonal. Therefore, unless your mind is good, you cannot be happy with others when they come to meet you. Same way, May Astu Shanti. And in the next mantra, these are all the 9, you count them. There are 9 assets that we have to be practicing. 1, Eha, journey, movement, mobility, activity. Srihi, the wealth. Krihi, shame. In English they said, no. You must be having that kind of nachke. ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಭಾವನೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ವೆನೆವ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಯಾದೇಯಂ ಅಶ್ರದ್ಧಯಾದೇಯಂ ಕ್ರಿಯಾದೇಯಂ, ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದೇರ್, ಕ್ರಿಯಾದೇಯಂ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ token contribution of our own to share the punyam that Veda Purusha is enjoying all the time and blessing us all. So dhrutihi, dhairya, you should be bold, you should have tyaga about it. Then tapaha, the austerity, medha, intelligence, pratishtha is fame, name and fame, because our pratishtha only remains longer than our body. Everyday body is just reducing its stamina, time and all that. That's why in Telugu one poet says, గడియారంబున టక్కు టక్కుమని వేగం కొట్టు శబ్దంబు వెంబడి ఆయుష్యములు ఒక్కటొక్కటిగా సోపానంబుల్ డిగ్గున్. సో దెన్ ఒక్కొక్క one as the pendulum makes sound, tuck tuck tuck, the steps of our full life will be descending one by one. Therefore patheya marjimpuma, we have to be earning something that we leave out. That's exactly what we call pratishtha. Then the other concepts, shraddha, satyam, dharma. These you may count. These are the 9 things which we have got to practice when we are breathing our life right from cradle to grave. Cradle to grave, we have to be attending to these things. And you are promising to the God that autishtantam means I am practicing all these things in my own percentage of convenience. And anutishtantu, you also bless me. Anutishtana means you also confirm and bless the same thing back to me. Srihi, Hrihi, Dhrutihi, Tapaha, Medha, Pratishtha, Shraddha, Satyam, Dharma. These are things to be confirmed. And again, in case anywhere I commit mistakes, because man is to err, there will be always skipping. We skip things, we postpone things, we cancel things. If at all such type of things were to occur, then mama hasishu, please don't harm me, condone all my mistakes. That's why apadama pahartaram, we always make prayer to God. Rama, every morning you get up and put your steps out from the bed. Say, Apadam apartaram. See, the present topic of our workshop or symposium is, samasyas common to human and divine. Samasya means apada. And solution means upaya. So whenever there is apayam chintayet prajnaha, tathopayam cha chintayet is is Hitopadesham and Panchatantram. So that Vishnu Sarma and Narayana Pandita, they give a thing. Don't think of only negativity, don't think of only problems, don't think of only fears. But please think of the upaya for that. Because our body has got, our intelligence has got upaya. Who will give you upaya? Rudra is a upaya maker. Please remember. That's why in our Mahanyasa we say, Lalate Rudraha Tishthantu. The thinking power, the faculty is centered in the Lalata. Because there our calendar of life has been written. So if at all any crisis were to occur, it will be temporary. No, nothing remains long. It's only for a period it will be there. Therefore, we say that these 9 things which we are practicing must be helped by the respective gods, and see that our life upon the earth is heralded with success, is supported with success. And for that kind of success, we have to invoke the blessings of the gods. And also, even gods also want your support, because there are number of mantras. Don't think that gods are all powerful, ever powerful, eternally powerful. No, they also turn weak. They also want some energies added to their own mahat or abilities. So when some kind of that abilities are being supported, naturally you will see, you will be happy and comfortable in the life. So after all, the 10 decades or 900 years, Shatam Saradaha, Shatam Vasantaha, Jivema Saradas Shatam, all these hopes which we express as a part of desire to God should be confirmed by them. You have learned that in Ayush Suktam, where Ayur Devatas have got to give you all that facility, and ultimately what you are asking the Ayur Devatas, 1, 2, 3, 4, not only the divinities, also semi-divinities, Yaksha, Gandharva, Sarpa, they are all semi-divinities. And then we have got also elevated human beings like Bhrigu, Atri, Angirasa, well, all these people. So they are all responsible for promoting, protruding, procrastinating, rather protracting your longevity of life. Because the moment we are born, if you die, there will be a lot of loss and unhappiness. No, we have to, that's why the child in the cradle, Asirvada, it receives, Shisho Jaram Gacha, be an old person, grow into old age. People may think, what, ಈಗಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮುದುಕನ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಮುದುಕನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ are knowing how many hurdles are there. Therefore, now what is the prayer we make in the Ayush Suktam? 204, then we have got Navagriha Suktam. I always pitch upon this hope. Swayushya Vrtakam Hutva Swayushya Mahayama Shashvato. So you give something to the God. What you give is no matter, but what he gives to you matters. That's why what water, vapors or water that Surya Bhagavan takes during the summer is nothing compared to the water he gives all over the globe afterwards. So Adanam hi visargaya satam varimuchamiva. This is what Bhartrihari says, or Kalidasa says. See, satam varimuchamiva. Varimuch is the clouds. So good people take a little from Adanam. Adanam is to receive. Recipient. So Adanam hi visargaya, only to give to the others. It is not simply every day check your bank balance and with the your passbook. Many people do it. Oh, what is my balance today? Let me see. No. You should not have that kind of, but you should always have the mind to share. That's why Rutam Hutva, just I want to offer something. Then Swayushya, Swa Ayuhu is nominative singular. Swayushya is instrumental singular. or can be also so with my own granted span of life. I don't know. We can write our birth date. We cannot write our death date. Someone else will write for that. But anyway, whatever life that we are being blessed, that's what we call Ayus. So Ayushya, what happened? What is to be there? Mahayama Shashvatu. The word Mahayama 100 times, because you should not condemn yourself. You should always feel elevated, encouraged, enthused. Not only you, but others. It must be like Vishwamitra Maharshi, who not only attained highest grace, highest attainment, namely Brahmarshi became. After all, he is a born Kshatriya, became Brahmarshi. And he trained Rama and Lakshmana also to the same tempo as a good guru, gave all Astra Shastras, the Vidya of all that, and made him eligible to kill a toughest demon like Ravana. So, but for the blessing and support and training of Vishwamitra, we don't know about Rama. Imagine Rama without that. So, like that, Swayushya Mahayama Shaswatu. Ee Mahayama anodake, so we say Bharat Mahan. We always say that our Bharat is Mahan. Our country is great, whatever be the things, but there's a rich Rishi tradition, river tradition, and Devata tradition, and it is a place where gods have walked. Bharata Kshetra is the place where deities have walked on the land. They did all avatars. So in such land, when we are born, in fact, a Slovenian complimented, "Sir, you are all lucky, you are born in India where gods have walked." Like that. So Svayushya Mahayama Shaswatu. So you're all familiar with Ayush Sukta. It is there in YouTube also. There are 2-3 versions of Ayush Sukta. And latest one is that one in the Upasana website. I spoke for 1 hour and 28 minutes. Probably you may choose to it. Now let's go to our Navagrahas, because our life is totally controlled by the 9 planets. Because it is almost, what is Navagrahas means, that's a summary of our precise, concise, summarized projections of the Mahat of all gods. Please remember what words I am using. So you cannot pray all gods, because we believe that there are 33 crores of gods are there. When so many gods are there in the universe, are perfect, how can you count them? In fact, Kasi is the place where all these gods have borrowed or taken lease or purchased some portion. That's why in Kasi, you find all gods there. When you go to Kasi, it means all the 33 crore gods are looking at you and you are looking at them. You don't know they are looking at you, and we too don't know, but there will be the vibration passed on mutually. Therefore, Kasi Kshetra is very good. In fact, one of the talks is there, how the genesis of Kasi in our program, because the healing, because upon the land, people are only exposed. There is always a statement, Karmana, Sankaracharya said, Karmana badhyate jantuhu and gnanena vimuchyate. So we are all born in order to get knowledge, enhance knowledge, and get maturity of the knowledge, and have kind of emancipation. Therefore, we are all looking upon upayas. Now I told you the solution. And scriptures are the sources to give you the solutions, because scriptures are from the rishis. And all the rishis are elevated spiritual masters. There is nothing not known to rishis. That's why there is a statement, Namithya Rishi Bhashitam. Valmiki Maharshi himself says that the Rishi Bhashitam can never fail. Similarly, the bhashana of the language or the promise of the gods also will not fail. It is as perfect and successful as the poison. Therefore, in Aruna Prashna, I quoted to you that Devaha, Devascha Mahadevaha. Okay, then Deva Garagiraha, Vaidyuto hinasti gara giraha. Giraha is speech. Gara is the poison. So poisonous speech. Poisonous speech means perfect. Satyam vacham asimahi. You make every day when you recite Lakshmi Sukta, Sri Sukta, you will say Satyam vacham asimahi. I want to attain, because we are all known for 1 minute. So Satyam vacham asimahi, we have to attain. And Satyano Asishas Santu. You remember, you ask for counter signature of the gods. Maybe you are a good tapasvi, maybe you are capable of blessing all people, but we should require the counter signature of the gods, because they are the ultimate authorities to say yes or no to our proposals. Therefore, what are all these prayers are the proposals. And all those proposals are being confirmed by the gods, because you have made them pleased. That's what exactly you could. That's what is a prayer that we are doing. Now we go to Chandra mantra. Chandra, because we have the other day we have covered Surya Bhagavan, and you have seen that Surya is the Grahadhipati and Chandra is the Nakshatradhipati. Therefore, both are juxtaposed in our bhachakra, in our horoscope. See, the moment Surya occupied the Simha Rasi, Simha, you know that it's a king of all animals, and it is called Simha because you just reverse the word and read Himsa, Himsi or Himsa. Himsa means torture, giving pain, giving trouble. The very roar of lion itself makes people run away, or animals run away, the enemies run away. That's why in Rudram, you see, Mrugona Bhimaha Kucharo Girishtaha. So Mrugona Bhimaha. So Bhima Mruga, what is that? Narasimha. That's a lion. That's why he took a lion's head in order to put out a terrible demon like Hiranya Kashipu. Because Hiranyakasipu was not ordinary fellow. He has done such a penance that Brahmadeva was pleased with his penance. He gave him a distinction marks, 100% pass in Tapo examination. Therefore, the first thing that Brahmadeva did was to make him normal by supplying flesh, blood and all things, whatever emaciation that he enjoyed because of his terrible penance. So, as when he is emaciated so much out of the penance, he should be made normal. So the first thing that Brahmadeva did was he made Hiranyakasipu as strong as he was before he started doing penance. So that is Narsimha Swarupam. That is what we say. And Surya Bhagavan is the person who is supervising all people, but he has to have speed in supervision, is it not? See, whenever anybody to attend on you, they must come on a speed. That's why you make a prayer in Mahanyasa, Ano Niyudhihi Chatani Viradvaram Sahasrani Viupayahi Yajnam. So there, you see, you come with the horses, like that you say. So you have made a good prayer to Surya Bhagavan, and Midhushtama he is. And now we go to the Chandra. The very word Chandra indicates that is a cool person. Actually, I have written an article, and for a number of times I have written on Navagrahas, and one of that is one in this Veda Ganga volume 20. It is available in our website. You can go to the page number, page number 140, 148 or so, and there I have written upon the article tracing the mantras to Rigveda, Yajurveda and all that, and given a good analysis of that in a simple manner. And I think in the coming issue of Veda Ganga 26, you are also going to see one article, I think so, on Matsuswami Dikshita. He has made Navagraha Kirtanas. And how he has conceived the personality, mahima, influence, and our approach, and all that in his kirtanas, which are called Navagraha Kirtanas. I made in my own, and also I have made the Namavali of each Graha from the viewpoint of Muthuswami Dikshita. Because actually we don't know, unless Grahanugraha is there, the grace of the God is there, we will not be able to do it. Now, you just read that also for by next class, you can just peruse or take a printout and keep have an understanding of what grahas are for us. I told you graha are catches. Graha is the cup. Graha is the container. Therefore, all our calendar of life, all our prosperity or difficulties, etc., in our while we are breathing our life, is contained in the cups. There is a container, and all the grahas are the containers. Therefore, if Navagrahanugraha is there, then we will be definitely taken care by them. That's why we make a prayer. Please repeat. Satyasri, please tell. Ye grahaha.
Ye grahaha.
2 times. All of you also ignoring it. Shubhasthaneshu sthitaha.
Shubhasthane sustitaha. Shubhasthane sustitaha.
Yeshan grahanam.
Yeshan grahanam. Yeshan grahanam.
Atyanta shubhaphalavapyartham.
Atyanta shubhaphalavapyartham. Atyanta shubhaphalavapyartham.
Ye grahaha.
Ye grahaha. Ye grahaha.
Shubhetarasthaneshu sthitaha. Shubhetara.
Shubhetara.
Sthaneshu sthitaha.
Shubhethara sthaneshu stita.
Tesham grahanam.
Tesham grahanam. Tesham grahanam.
Atyanta anukulyata siddhyartham.
Atyanta anukulyatam siddhyartham. Anukulyatam siddhyartham.
Navagraha mantra japam.
Navagraha mantra japam. Navagraha mantra japam.
Parayana adhyayanam cha karishye.
Parayana adhyayanam cha karishye. Parayana adhyayanam cha karishye.
So with this sankalpam, we should always make our prayer to these grahas, because these grahas are the projectiles of the various Vedic gods. And these grahas have their connection to respective Puranic gods. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Subramanya, Ganapati, Rudra, etc. All the. Therefore, when you make prayer to them or them directly, we will have the benefit, because there is no substitute in the world for prayer. Prayer is the wonderful weapon, and there cannot be better, sharper weapon than the prayer. When you make a prayer, it is a surrender. When you make a prayer, you are trying to subdue your ego and all our panchendriyas, all our karmendriyas and all that. That's why in Krishna, Bhagavad Gita says, Aya, you are a free boy, you are a free person. You need not care much about the karmendriyas and jnanendriyas. The moment you open our eyes, the jnanendriyas automatically start their function. You need not do anything to make your eye to see, nor your ear to hear, nor your teeth to bite. It is all natural, normal, automatic. Therefore, you are free. So what for you are free? You are free to do your dharma. What is the dharma? It is a swabhava. As a Kshatriya, what is our Swabhava? To war and promote dharma. So you said Hata Swabhavaha. If you say like that, you will be a sinner. If you don't fight the war and you go home, you will do more sin than not. But if you fight a war, you will not going to be a sinner. So in this evening, I am going to talk about the Karma Yoga. In fact, Karma and Jnana and Buddhi Yoga, then Arjuna puts a wonderful question in the second and third chapter. Aya, you said Karma is important, Buddhi is important, which is good for me. Kim Sreyaha. The word Sreyas he has used. Prayers, both are prayers only. Prayers means loved ones, liked ones. But we want not always loved ones. We want useful and better ones. That's why you choose better in between the two liked things. When you go to a shop, the shop wala throws everything. All things you like it. But somebody should tell you, hey, this suits your liking, your things and all that. So that is what is Sreyas and you buy it. Like that, what is Sreyas, that Krishna is telling in 17 chapters. In the same manner, we are also here trying to appeal to the respective grahas. Please repeat, Amma. Om Apyayasva Sametu Te.
Om Apyayasva Sametu Te. Om Apyayasva Sametu Te.
Vishvata Soma Vrishniyam.
Vishvata Soma Vrishniyam. Vishvata Soma Vrishniyam.
Bhavavajasya Sangathe.
Bhavavajasya Sangathe. Bhavavajasya Sangathe.
Apsu me somo abravitu.
Apsu me somo abravit. Apsu me somo abravit.
Antar Vishwani Bheshaja.
Antar Vishwani Bheshaja. Antar Vishwani Bheshaja.
Agnim cha Vishvashambhuvam.
Agnim cha Vishvashambhuvam. Agnim cha Vishvashambhuvam.
Apascha Vishvabheshajihi.
Apascha Vishvabheshajihi. Apascha Vishvabheshajihi.
Ashtapadi Navapadi Babhuvushi.
Gauri Vimaya.
I'm sorry, Gauri Mimaya Salilani.
Gauri Vimaya Salilani. Gauri Vimaya Salilani.
Takshatyekapadi Dvipadi Sa Chatushpadi.
Takshatyekapadi Dvipadi Sa Chatushpadi. Takshatyekapadi Dvipadi Sa Chatushpadi.
Ashtapadi Navapadi Babhuvushi.
Ashtapadi Navapadi Babhuvushi. Ashtapadi Navapadi Babhuvushi.
Sahasrakshara Parame Vyoman.
Sahasra Akshara Parame Vyoman. Sahasra Akshara Parame Vyoman.
Om Adhidevata Pratyadidevata Sahitaya.
Om Adhidevata Pratyadidevata Sahitaya. Om Adhidevata Pratyadidevata Sahitaya.
Somaya Namaha.
Somaya Namaha. Somaya Namaha.
Agni Om. You have written down last class regarding the Chandra mantra, and again you just recite, and then we'll go to the next mantra, and Yes, please repeat. Om Hrim Swaha.
Om Hrim Swaha. Om Hrim Swaha.
Am Namah Swaha.
Am Namah Swaha. Am Namah Swaha.
Vam Amrutatmane Swaha.
Vam Amrutatmane Swaha. Vam Amrutatmane Swaha.
Dram Sam.
Dram Sam. Dram Sam.
Atreyasaya Vidmahe.
Atreyasaya Vidmahe. Atreyasaya Vidmahe.
Rohinishaya Dhimahi.
Rohinishaya Dhimahi. Rohinishaya Dhimahi.
Tannaschandra Prachodayatu.
Tannah Chandra Prachodayat. Tannah Chandra Prachodayat.
Om Agnirmurdha Divakakutpatihi.
Om Agni Murdha Divakakutpatihi. Om Agni Murdha Divakakutpatihi.
Prithivya Ayam.
Prithivya Ayam. Prithivya Ayam.
Apagum Retagum Sijinvati.
Apagum Retagum Sijinvati. Apagum Retagum Sijinvati.
Syona Prithvi Bhava.
Syona Prithvi Bhava. Syona Prithvi Bhava.
Anrukshara Niveshani.
Anrukshara Niveshani. Anrukshara Niveshani.
Yachana Sharma Sapratha.
Yachana Sharma Saprathaha. Yachana Sharma Saprathaha.
Kshetrasya Patina Vayagum.
Kshetrasya Patina Vayagum. Kshetrasya Patina Vayagum.
Itene Vajayamasi.
Itene Vajayamasi. Itene Vajayamasi.
Kamashvam Poshayitva.
Kamashvam Poshayitva. Kamashvam Poshayitva.
Sano Mrudati Druse.
Sano Mrudati Drushe. Sano Mrudati Drushe.
Om Hrim Swaha.
Om Hrim Swaha.
Om Hrim Swaha. Am Namah
Om
Swaha.
Hrim Swaha.
Am Namah Swaha.
Am Namah Swaha. Am Namah Swaha.
Am Angarakaya Namaha.
Am Angarakaya Namaha. Am Angarakaya Namaha.
Om Glaum Aim.
Om Klaum.
Glaum Aim.
Om Klaum Aim.
Glaum Aim. Glaum Sham.
Klaim.
Aim Glaum Sham.
Klaim. Aim Om. Sham.
Glaum Sham.
Klom Sham.
Dharmarajaya Vidmahe.
Dharmarajaya Vidmahe. Dharmarajaya Vidmahe.
लोहितांगाय धीमहि
लोहितांगाय धीमहि लोहितांगाय धीमहि
तन्नो
तन्नो
भौमः प्रचोदयातु
तन्नो भौमः प्रचोदयात् तन्नो भौमः प्रचोदयात्.
So we have now Chandra. Next
Guruji,
Angaraka.
can you repeat the second
Madam.
one, please?
ಬೀಜಾಕ್ಷರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
Yeah.
ಬೀಜಾಕ್ಷರ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ
Okay.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Om Glaum Aim Klom Sham. Helima. Glaum Aim Klom Sham. Dharmarajaya Vidmahe
धर्मराजाय विद्महे धर्मराजाय विद्महे
Lohitangaya Dhimahi
लोहितांगाय धीमहि लोहितांगाय धीमहि
Tanno Bhaumaha Prachodayatu
तन्नो भौमः प्रचोदयात् तन्नो भौमः प्रचोदयात्.
When you consider these two planets, Chandra and Bhauma, or Chandra Kuja. Chandra is water, Kuja is Bhumi. So Kuja is said to be Bhumiputra, and this Chandra is supposed to be Samudraputra, Samudranarayana's son, Lakshmi's brother. Therefore, you require, especially whenever you do the Abhisheka with milk, you use the word Apyayasva. This mantra, Apyayasva Sametu Te Vishwataha Soma Prishniyam Bhava Vajasya Sangathe. That is, you are Apyayasva means appeasing. You have to appease the gods. You have to make them pleased. When once you make with your prayer or objects or obstacles pleased, then they attend upon you. After all, everybody is like that in the world. There should be mutual help, mutual support. When there is mutual support, then people are happy. If you call, a person is not there to take your call. If he calls back, returns the call, how happy you are. That is the culture. That is our Indian culture. And so, if we have to follow that, here also, Sametu te Vishwataha Soma Vrishniyam. He is identified with the Soma Deva, Rudra, and Soma Vrishniyam. And we are asking him, Vajasya Sangathe Bhava. You, Sangatha is to joining or associateship. So you always associate yourself with in respect of the yagnas and rituals and rites that I am going to do, because you are cool. And what is cool is the benefit. When you are given all benefits, you become really happy. And then there is a dialogue, So Maha Apsu Abravitu Antarvishwani Bheshaja. So the water is Vishwani Bheshaja. It is going to be universal healer, universal support. So Bheshat means medicine. Bheshan means herbal. So that's why when you are ill or well, you should drink more and more water. Water is the first healing agent. Whether you take medicine or not, if you just drink water, it is a bheshaja. It will do what good it should do to you. Therefore, it is called as Vishwa Bheshaja. Vishwani Bheshaja. Referring to Vishwani, referring to universal all-round medicine. That's what Soma addressed the waters in that manner. Somaha Abravit. Who said? The Soma Deva that is Chandra, talk to the water, "O you water, you are the universal healer and medicine." And again there is a prayer to Agni, because Agni is also a child of water. Apam Garbhaha, you all know that. Chandra is called, Agni is called as Apam Garbhaha. And Surya Bhagavan is said to be Ratrer Vatsaha. He is the child of the night, because Ratri Devata would hold him inside her, give him all comfort whole night, and again in the morning, Ratrer Vatsaha Sveta Aditya Tamro Arunaha, like that, the description goes. You are welcome to attend to my Aruna Prashna class at 9:30. I will be sending the link also. The Bhashya Aruna Prashna. Well, Aruna Prashna, when you read, you don't understand it. Because the sentences look always new and pose for challenge. Understand me. You understand, then I will be able to be happy. That's what Surya Bhagavan says. So here also, the Somadeva told that water, you are this. Then Somaha Abravit, then Agnim Cha, also Agni. Who is Agni? Vishwashambhuvaha. Shambhuvaha means Sham Karoti, Shanting Karoti. Sham Agni Ragni Vihi Sham. That's why we make a prayer. Shanno Mitrasyam Varunaha Shanno Bhavatvariyama, like that. There Sham. Sham is Shanti. And again, that's why most of the Rigveda mantras are called as Shamsha. Shamsha, the hymns and the praises. So that's why Shamsha is Rigveda mantra, and opposite of that Shamsha is Shapa. Normally, all mantras have also got the tinge of Shapa, because you don't want any evil to come and attack. You want all the evil that we have already possessed in us should get away from us. So driving away the evil and also subduing the evil outside. So the evil inside, the evil outside must be subdued, so that good only remains. They're precipitating like that. So here also, Somo Abravit Agnim cha Vishwashambhuvam and Vishwabheshajihi Apaha. So another compliment for the water is, it's a Vishwashambhu and Vishwabheshaji. These are the two important attributes and qualities and benefits that people are getting because of the water. Because milk is also a water, and that milk is a special water mixed with the protein or all contents. Even today, we don't have any formula for the milk. For curds and everything, you say so much of protein, so much of cholesterol, so much of this formula. But if you when they sell the milk, they just put the board or that it's a natural product. Milk is a natural product. You cannot have a formula explained for that. No chemistry works on milk. But milk makes all chemistry in our body. Therefore, Apsu say Agnim cha Vishwashambhuvam and Vishwabheshaji Apaha. So, why milk is chosen for this mantra is also a good question. Because milk is the coldest one available upon the earth. And it is a samikruta ahara, a balanced diet. People can live with milk. After 6 months of being there, mother shifts her responsibility to the cow's milk, to the cow. So from 6 months and on, afterwards, cow is our mother. Therefore, before that we are not allowed. Only mother's milk we all enjoy and survive up to 6 months and around. Afterwards, mother retires, and in that place, the cows are appointed. Cow's milk or buffalo milk or goat's milk, like that. Gandhiji was enjoying goat milk. That was the thing that Gandhi writes in his autobiography. Anyway, so goat milk, but buffalo milk and cow's milk. But among these three kinds of milk, there is always distinction and effect. Cow's milk enhances intelligence. Buffalo milk enhances your physical strength. And cow's milk, I don't know. Goat's milk, I don't know. But anyway, they're all the milk animals. In English, in German, they call it milking animals. Anyway, here, that milk is attributed because milk is an interesting product, natural product. And so, whenever we offer this to gods, what is the prayer? Apyayasva. Please be pleased. So whenever milk touches, in fact, you should never use hot water either for Sandhya Vandanam or for Devata Puja or for any other Daivika things. You should never. It may be wonderful cold. Then you cannot ask your mother, hey, it's very cold, bring me hot water, I will do Sandhya Vandanam. Stupid. No sanction for that. Similarly, hot is not bad. So milk is the natural cold. You should never offer Abhisheka the boiled milk or boiled and cooled milk. So some of these instructions or injunctions have been made by our rishis in the scriptures. There is a lot of scientific truth about them. Because milk does not make people irritated when it is cool. Therefore, the very opening is Apyayasva. Why you ask the Apyayata, Apyayamanaha, Apyayasva, Apyayamanaha, Swaha. Agni is an Apyayamana Swabhava. That is, Agni is always one who wants something that will make him grow stronger. See, you can make Agni enhanced of his powers with the help of the ghee, but never with the water. The moment the Amma comes, the child will go to Amma, discard everybody. And therefore, that is the child's philosophy. Even Agni is also like child. Upon the moment you put water to Agni, he becomes silent and he becomes comfortable for Amma only. No, if you want to make him stronger, you make use of him, you can only offer ghee. There is nothing replacement for that. No oil otherwise. Therefore, Apyayasva, Apyayamanaha. So I think I have taken more time and I continue with the next mantras in the next class. Om Sahana Vavatu